Can you guess this city? Kuala Lumpur in motion, a skyline of glass meets street life. Temples sit beneath skyscrapers, and every corner hides a shot worth saving. MRT platforms, monorail glides, and the KLIA Express create urban rhythm. Traffic becomes light trails at night, highways and flyovers are motion strokes. Thean's ornate rooflines and lantern courtyards are a feast of curves and color. Capture sweeping pans of tiled roofs, then drop the lantern close-ups to punctuate the edit. KL's photo DNA is contrast, temples, mosques, and small shrines punctuate steel canyons. Let those juxtapositions tell a city story of coexistence across scales. Don't only shoot the obvious rooftop. Stitch views from boutique hotels, parking decks, and food courts to create a layered skyline. Each terrace gives a new scale and a fresh foreground. From the observation deck, KL compresses below, mosque domes, markets, and the serpentine Klang River. Merdeka Square is where colonial scale meets Malay motifs. The Sultan Abdul Samad building and open lawn make for strong geometric compositions. KLCC Park turns into a stage at night. Lit fountains, joggers, and reflections that double the towers. Use slow push-ins on water reflections and short stings when the fountain lights hit. Otherwise, just sit back and relax. The view is amazing and you will want to take it all in. Masjid Jamek sits at the confluence of rivers. Its Moorish domes and quiet courtyard glow at dawn. Use reflections in nearby puddles and calm long takes to convey peace. Beyond the skyline are terrace houses and apartment stacks with satellite dishes and laundry lines. These lived-in textures humanize the urban story. Batu caves erupts from jungle into color. The towering Murugan statue guards a flight of painted stairs leading into karst caverns. Shoot low for monumentality, capture devotees and monkeys for cultural pulse. Inside the caves, shafts of light and smoke transform altars into theatrical stages. Respect rituals, use long lenses for candid ritual moments, and listen for bells to guide your ambient mix. If you love these Kuala Lumpur visuals, then subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on other great cities.